Folks, I want to share with you a very exciting time. When you've worked in your business and built it and created an auto repair shop that has value, and now you're ready to sell the shop. Let me tell you a couple of stories about some people I know that built their business, sold the shop, built their business, sold the shop. This is Gary Gunn. Auto Shop Showcase Shop Tips. Let's call this guy John Cannon. He sold his business to his son-in-law several years ago. Another guy named Lance Sunderland sold his business to his general manager, January 2023. Jeff Strouser is in the process of selling his business to his general manager. Chris Gerber sold his business to his general manager. Evan sold his business, one shop, to a group of shop owners. Say they had 4 or 5 locations, they wanted to add one. So he sold that, land, property, and everything. AC sold his shop to a guy that used to work for him as a general manager. If you don't have an exit strategy, if you don't have someone in place to buy your business and you're not making that happen, shame on you. Because one day you'll look up and, hey, I'm 60 years old. Hey, I'm 75. Hey, I'm 80 years old. And I built a business that I want to sell, but I don't have anybody to sell it to. Don't let that happen to you. We can help you with that. Call us, 270-282-1262. Or go to our website, autoshopshowcase.com. In the right-hand corner is a little 7-question automotive repair checkup. Real simple thing to do. So take that quick checkup. Then you and I will talk. And just perhaps we'll book a call and we will be able to help you. If not, great. At least we became friends and we know each other. Y'all have a great day. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.